Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming door handing and thickness. This matters because the latch and strike must align. Start by measuring and marking the center line and chosen backset, 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Then clamp the template to the door. Use the Dewalt hole saw with a pilot bit to drill the face hole, keeping the drill square so the cylinder sits flush. Once done, bore the edge hole for the latch and briefly test fit the latch to verify depth and alignment. After drilling, chisel a shallow mortise so the latch plate sits flush. This prevents binding and keeps the face aesthetic. Insert the latch and tighten the screws snugly. Do not over-tighten, or the bolt may bind. Position the exterior cylinder so its tailpiece feeds through the latch. You may need a helper to steady the cylinder while you align the interior rows. Once aligned, install the interior assembly and hand-tighten the mounting screws. Test the knob or lever for smooth operation before final torque. Finish by installing the jam strike plate. Center it on the latch path and fasten with long screws to reach framing for strength. Close the door and cycle the latch and deadbolt, observing travel. If the bolt drags, slightly loosen screws and realign the strike or remove minimal wood from the jam mortise. Make sure keys turn smoothly and that the trim sits flush. Troubleshooting tip: if binding persists, swap to the other backset or plane the latch area a hair. Small adjustments fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.